All right, let's talk about credit. What if your score is kind of holding you back?
You know that feeling, right? Hearing no over and over again for loans? So frustrating.
Look, a number doesn't define you. Your score is just one part of your story, not the whole thing.
The system can feel totally unfair. We're here to fight those errors and fix what's wrong. Because a better score, that's the key to unlocking the life you really want.
Okay, so how does this whole thing work? Let's get right into the game plan.
It all starts with you. We've got a simple 4-step plan, beginning with your story.
And yeah, we go after all 3 boroughs. We'll challenge every single inaccurate item on your report. But what's the real payoff for you? Let's talk about the return on this investment.
We're talking about huge life goals here. A home, a car, and just financial peace of mind. Just look at these numbers for a mortgage. The difference in monthly payments is absolutely huge.
And over the life of the loan, wow, that's over 165 grand back in your pocket.
Now let's switch gears. For you pros out there, this could be a total game changer.
Imagine turning those no's into yeses for your clients. We're talking more closed deals, a win-win. So why partner up? Well, you boost your income and build customer loyalty. And it costs you nothing. Okay, let's be real. It's crucial to do this the right way, with integrity and security. Yeah, this isn't some magic trick. We provide a legal, powerful service that actually works. Everything we do is built on 4 key pillars. It's legal, documented, secure, and has total integrity. So what's the bottom line? No shortcuts, just real, lasting results you can count on. So the real question is for you. Are you ready to take back control and rewrite your story?